Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're checking out the Yamaha PSR 155, an entry-level keyboard that packs a ton of features at an affordable price. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone looking for a budget-friendly option for practice, this keyboard could be exactly what you need. Let's dive into what makes the Yamaha PSR 155 stand out. What is the Yamaha PSR 155? The Yamaha PSR 155 is a portable keyboard designed for beginners and learners. With 61 keys, it provides a full range of notes and offers an excellent platform for anyone looking to get started with playing the piano or keyboard. It's compact, lightweight, and comes packed with sounds, rhythms, and features that will help you improve your skills without breaking the bank. Design and build quality. The PSR 155 has a sleek, user-friendly design, making it perfect for beginners. It features a simple layout, with easy-to-read labels and a clean interface. The keyboard is lightweight, which makes it portable and easy to carry around. The build quality feels solid for its price range, and it's durable enough to handle everyday use, whether at home or during lessons. Sound and features. One of the standout features of the Yamaha PSR 155 is its impressive selection of sounds. It offers 100 different voices, including pianos, organs, strings, and more, giving you plenty of variety for your music creation. You also get 120 built-in accompaniment styles that allow you to play along with a virtual band. The sound quality is surprisingly clear for its price, making it a great choice for practice or simple performances. Ease of use. For beginners, the Yamaha PSR 155 is incredibly easy to use. The layout is straightforward, and the buttons are intuitively placed for quick access to various features. The keyboard also has a built-in learning mode with the Yamaha Education Suite, which helps beginners learn to play with step-by-step tutorials. It's an excellent tool for self-paced learning without feeling overwhelmed by complicated controls. Portability and power options. The PSR 155 is designed for portability, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. It's powered either by 6 AA batteries or an AC adapter, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. This makes it a great option for mobile musicians, students, or anyone who needs a keyboard that doesn't require a lot of space. Additional features. In addition to its sounds and rhythms, the Yamaha PSR 155 comes with a few other useful features. It includes a built-in metronome for timing practice, along with an integrated recording feature, so you can record and playback your performances. This is especially helpful for tracking your progress as you learn. Plus, the keyboard also has an AUX input and headphone jack, so you can connect external devices or practice quietly with headphones. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Yamaha PSR 155 is an excellent entry-level keyboard that offers a lot of value for